Hello everyone, Rob here, and I wanted to let you know I haven't abandoned the channel. I wound up catching COVID. It was a very difficult 15 days and in total about 25 days before I started feeling normal like a human being again. And for me it was tough. I didn't wind up in the hospital or anything, but it was difficult. High fever, aches and pains. I didn't have the lung issues that you hear about, thank goodness, but I did get shortness of breath, loss of appetite, weakness. I wound up losing close to 18 pounds in a very short period of time. I just had no appetite, no sense of taste or smell for a few days. So please be very careful out there. You know, for me it was very real, but made it through by the grace of God. So just watch out for yourself. You know, all the basic fundamentals, keeping your hands clean, all the things we do to try and avoid it. Ironically, my wife and my daughter caught it, and they were pretty well asymptomatic. They wouldn't have known that they had they not went and gotten tested, because I had it. And I've done some research, and you research this for yourself, but I think a lot of it has to do with blood type. Everyone in my family except for me is O blood type. And O blood type, if you're lucky enough to have that blood type, it seems like 50% less chance of catching COVID and 50% less chance of having any major symptoms. So, or maybe it's 50% less chance of knowing you've got it because you just don't show symptoms. A blood type, which I am, seems to fare the worst with COVID, and it was the worst thing I've ever gone through. So again, be careful out there. I wish you the very best. Please stay healthy. On the channel update side, I'm running as my daily driver here, Reborn OS, which is an Arch-based distro with the Cinnamon desktop, and that implementation is very good. So I want to say thank you to the devs. Shout out for your work there. If you haven't tried Reborn OS, it's got a unique installer, the Cincy installer, which allows you to choose various desktops at setup as well as various packages. It is a little slower to install than a lot of the other distros because it's pulling a lot down from the web. You will need an internet connection for install, but so far very pleased with what's going on in that project. So again, thanks devs, and to everyone else, hopefully we'll be back to some regular channel videos and updates. Doing videos was the last thing on my mind for the last 30 days or so, but hope and look forward to catching back up with what's going on in the Linux world. As always, thanks for watching and be safe.